becomes a spark. Ankona School of Art.
Hello everyone, my name is Ankona. Today we are going to do a beautiful flower. Let's start. So did you like the beautiful flower I made and you made see the beautiful video? I took a cup and made the pot. I took toothpicks and first I took a cup and cut it. My father helped me to do the cutting of the flower. Then after that I wanted to make a purple color sticker, but I took that thing out. And you remember, first I took a cup, I cut it. Then I took clay and I put it and I started poking it. Then I took toothpicks, put it. Then I made the flower petals and the middle part of the flower. Then I took some leaves, fold it and cut it like that. And I took a toothpick which is cut in like this. I put glue on it like this and I put it like this and stick it like this. Then I stick it like this. Then after sticking it like this, I took some red color ones, made small balls and put it like this. Then after I finished, I wanted to do one more cup and I saw purple. I put the purple color here. I thought this purple color. Then I thought that I will make another flower. Like this is single flower and this is many flowers. So did you like